1967 sing je Roman script issues ni tine cover hiti amoi sing tini Sadhar East Divisional Committee ni hoite or memorandum na pheka SDM no Chief Minister no sung Rwkha je cover language solve khana bagi through the SDM Jirania sing tini memorandum Rwkha SDM ko positive or Rwkha immediately sagasung no sung seven all issues sung seven je Roman script sanmani balwi pheka ta as a committee form khaben ya golo almost solution ya ke sing or bujibo je tini sing Rwkha students or 9 mm no or jodol students mang 99% already sung 99% student or 99.5% no Roman script in favor on ke how can the government sini public the mandate no go shiawui without taking the mandate of the public but by only they can impose one particular script. That is the question to the government. They cannot do that. They cannot impose one particular script. They should take the mandate of the people. The people has only given 99% mandate. So why the government is still silent and only imposing one script? Government should take, the chief minister should take immediate step to solve these issues. Otherwise, there will be lots of problem in Tripura. Will be even bound to call for strike or any further greater movement can be called up again. So we have requested the SDM already. The SDM is very positive. He will be sending Borohonai, Chief Minister, immediately or memorandum.